Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2018 GMC Sierra SLT Crew Cab 4-wheel drive. Stock number X156A. Only 7,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Sierra brand new, Quicksilver metallic in color. To be GM certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. This Sierra seats 5, leather interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat bottom flips up for additional cargo space. Custom fit rubber mats throughout for easy cleaning. Rear defrost for excellent visibility, and power sliding window for extra ventilation. This here has a Z71 off-road suspension package, includes skid plates for protection, soft tonneau cover on the bed with locking tailgate, backup camera, and rear parking sensors. Trailering package. That backup camera is perfect for hooking up a trailer without any assistance. Easy lift tailgate. Spray and bed liner for protection as well as easy cleaning. And speaking of clean, no dents or dings in the body. Step bars make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This SLT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, power adjustable pedals, and tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Power moonroof, shift on the fly 4-wheel drive with auto setting, and integrated trailer brake control. Again, only 7,000 miles with advanced safety features like forward collision alert, set-by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, automatic transmission, manual shift capability, as well as tow haul mode, large touchscreen infotainment system, 4 radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming, navigation, and that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Dual-zone automatic temperature control with heated as well as cooled front seats. Keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. Lots of power outlets. Wireless cell phone charging. Lots of storage space underneath. And dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, sliding window, and moonroof control. Under the hood, this here is a 5.3 liter V8, 355 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates that average of 16 miles per gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway. And again, only 7,000 miles on those tires. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.